Hello everyone, this is Teacher Chopyunai, also known as Teacher Mario, so that you can easily call me Teacher Mario. I'm here to teach history subject to the Year 5 students. So you're welcome to my class and let's get started. As today is the very first year of our learning journey, so many lessons regarding to the history will not be given. However, when it comes to history, one of the most important things that we have to know is the definition of the history. So now I'm about to check your prior knowledge concerning with the history, especially with its definition and how do you understand the history and what is your meaning for it. So today's lesson, I'm totally sure by the end of my lessons, students, you will be able to reflect and discuss your opinion on what is history, and you can be able to fully describe the meaning of history. Right now, I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the definition of the history based on your upbringing knowledge. Okay, time's up, students. If you have different ideas of creating your own meanings of history, it is totally understandable because different people have different ideas, views, and thoughts. Generally speaking, history is the subject which can tell us about the past. History is really important. Without history, we cannot know the evolution of the human being and the process of industrialization. Here, another question that I would like to ask is that by looking what kind of things that we can learn about the history, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds again to think and write down your thoughts on your paper. Okay, your minutes is up. Of course, we can posit what happened in the past by looking at the things such as buildings, letters, stone inscription, pottery, tools, and humans and animal remains. Not only it's not all about the past, but also it teaches how to learn from other mistakes. Additionally, history helps us to understand how Asian society changed. Here, I'm a little bit curious to know that how can we call a person who study history? It is called historian. To summarize, history is all about learning the important events, discoveries, developments and changes, and lastly, famous personality as well. We have already learned so many things like the definition and meaning of the history. So from now on, let's learn how to pronounce the words correctly. Stone inscription, stone inscription. Pottery, pottery. Tool, tool. Mistake, mistake. Ancient, ancient. Society, society. Historian, historian. Important, important. Event, event. You could pronounce whether event or event. Discovery, discovery. Development, development. Personality, personality. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this. See you next video again.